Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set a decimal tab stop in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to set decimal tab stop in this document. Firstly, write anything. Then go to the paragraph settings option and go to the tabs. Then write tab stop position 6.5 and check mark the decimal. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we set decimal tab stop in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.